Have you ever found yourself unable to escape that incessant, annoying ringing sound? You know, that sound that's present even when nothing else is going on around you and all you want to do is relax? You, my friend, you're suffering from tinnitus. We've done several videos on tinnitus with this channel before. Today, we're going to tackle 5 myths associated with tinnitus. All of these myths are ones that I hear routinely in my office. Number 5, it's an absolute doozy. And believe it or not, I've heard it more than a few times. Number 1, the most common thing I hear about tinnitus is I can't hear because of the ringing in my ears. Unfortunately, this is not true. The most common cause of tinnitus or ringing in the ears is hearing loss. The tinnitus is likely a symptom of the hearing loss, not the other way around. The tinnitus is not the cause of your inability to understand people. The hearing loss is the cause of your inability to understand, as well as the perception of ringing in the ears. Number 2, supplements and or vitamins will cure my tinnitus. Unfortunately, the research does not support this. That's not to say that vitamins and supplements won't give you good health benefits in other parts of your life. Again, this is not medical advice. I did not see you in my clinic, so I'm just letting you know they serve a purpose. They have great health benefits. Unfortunately, the research does not back up the claim that supplements and or vitamins will cure your tinnitus. Ironically, number 3 is that there is no cure for tinnitus. We actually did a whole video on different treatment options for tinnitus. The most common and effective methods for treating tinnitus are sound therapy as well as cognitive behavioral therapy. Neither one of these treatment methods eliminates tinnitus. What they do is they help you deal with the side effects, the symptoms, and the perception of tinnitus, providing relief, de-stressing it, and allowing you to have that tinnitus masked out so it becomes less of a burden on your day-to-day life. Number 4, I love this one. Tinnitus is no big deal. Everyone has it. That's just not true. Tinnitus may or may not be a big deal. There are a whole variety of things that can cause tinnitus, from hearing loss as the most common, to drug interactions for medications you're taking, to other major medical issues that you really should pay attention to. Think about it like an alarm clock going off in your head. That ringing noise is there to get your attention. Something needs to be looked at and something needs to be addressed. Please don't ignore it. And then of course, number 5. This one has been my favorite and I have heard it multiple times in my office. My tinnitus comes from a government implant in my head. Yes, I know that sounds absolutely crazy and there's no evidence for this obviously, but it's just fun and funny because I have heard it multiple times in my office. These are just 5 of the numerous myths about tinnitus. I'll do a part 2. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.